Sonic warfare, as developed here, is one of the Army's most closely guarded secrets. A single sonic company is capable of simulating under combat conditions the activities of a division. Every sound that is part of the bridge building operation is picked up by this microphone, carried through this cable, and recorded inside this sound recording truck, on this turntable, exactly the way a phonograph record is made. Every component part of the building operation is recorded on a separate disc. The next will be a bulldozer at work. Then men unloading trucks and so on, recording each separate step. Of course, construction of a bridge is only one example. At the same time, another crew is at an armored camp recording the sound of an armored column, tanks crossing a small bridge, or any one of the many other basic sounds heard in combat areas which would indicate troop movements to a listening enemy. All these recordings go into the basic library at the Army Experimental Station. For actual projection, the sound is re-recorded from the discs onto wire, a much more compact, easy-to-handle device than any heretofore employed. While the fidelity compares favorably with disc and film recording, these small spools hold enough wire to provide 30 minutes of sound. On turntable 1 goes a recording of trucks moving in, stopping. On turntable 2 goes a recording of pontons and other material being unloaded. On 3 goes a bulldozer working and a bridge being constructed. All these are sounds that would be heard by the enemy if a bridge were being built. And all these components, before they can be projected from the loudspeakers, must be mixed onto one soundtrack, which is recorded on wire. With the progress of the war, changes in tactics and technique have called for changes and improvement in equipment. The best loudspeakers for the military requirements have been developed. Under ideal conditions, over water, they were found capable of projecting sound for 15 miles.